Alright guys, we're in the kitchen in this bi-level upstairs, and one of the things that Avery wanted to point out was the countertops. What was your favorite part of this countertop?
It sparkled.
So we're trying to give you a close-up view of it. I'm not sure if you can see it on camera, but take our word for it. It's nice. Kids like sparkle. What can you say? Wow, how do you like that, Avery? What do you see?
A fireplace.
I like this. This would be a really good family room. Remember the home that had the really nice lights in it that sparkled?
Yes.
Can you believe we found those?
No.
When we went shopping, guys, we found those lights that we showed in another house. Where did we find it at, Avery?
Menards.
Yeah, the lights were $154. This particular chair has a handle on the back of it. This is a good way to keep your light colored furniture clean, so if you didn't know, now you know.
We saw cabinets next.
Yes, the thing that I loved about these built-in cabinets where they had storage where you can pull out drawers and get organized in the kitchen. You don't have to have everything laying out in your kitchen on the countertop. You can actually be organized within those cabinets, and they go up pretty high. Last but not least, Avery wanted to look at
the tiles for the kitchen.
That's right. So Avery saw this particular subway tile made out of glass. I'm not sure if you can see it looking at the picture, but we just wanted to show you some ideas, and we're going to end this particular video. Avery, what did you want to say to the people?
Subscribe, like the video, and tell us where we should go next. Bye!
Bye guys.